Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Premarket on Webull. First, understand that Premarket trading lets you buy and sell stocks before the standard market hours. Webull provides extended hours trading, starting as early as 4 a.m. Eastern Time and running until 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. To participate, you'll need to ensure extended hours trading is enabled within your Webull account settings. This is a crucial first step for accessing these early trading opportunities. To enable extended hours trading, open your Webull app or desktop platform and head to the Trade tab. From there, you'll want to access your account settings. Look for an option specifically labeled Trading Hours or similar. Within this section, you'll find a toggle or checkbox for extended hours trading. Simply switch this on to activate the feature, allowing you to place orders during Premarket hours. Once extended hours are enabled, you can place a Premarket order. Search for your desired stock and tap the Trade button. It's essential to select Limit Order as your order type, as market orders are typically not allowed during extended hours. Enter your specific price and the quantity of shares you wish to purchase. Crucially, confirm that extended hours is chosen for the order's time in force, ensuring it executes during the Premarket session. When trading Premarket, remember a few key points. These hours often see lower trading volume, which can lead to higher volatility and wider bid-ask spreads. This means prices can move more dramatically with fewer participants. Always use limit orders to ensure your trade executes at or better than your specified price, protecting you from unexpected price swings. Exercise caution and understand the increased risks associated with extended hours trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.